Hello, Saram everyone. I welcome you all in Shrima online classes. Children, as you see in earlier video we have done skip counting. I hope you all are understood the concept of skip counting. Uh, let it revise again. Skip counting is a method of counting forward by numbers other than 1. Okay, we can count backward also, and it is very helpful to count quick. And it means also that we also keep adding the same number each time to the previous number. Okay, I will show you how. Here are more examples of counting. First we will understand the counting by 2. So if there is a question that you have to do skip counting by 2, in this counting we have to jump at every second number. Suppose this is a number line is given here in this page. If you see, the counting is started by 1. So if you will start by 1, the second number is 1 and 2. That is 3. Okay, after that 3 to 4 is first step, then 4 to 5 is next step. It means 5th is the second number. So if you start from 1, the every second number is 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. And if you will start from 2, the each second number is 4, then 6, then 8, and so on. Okay, so children, this is the skip counting that you have to skip. I know you all are very you all love to skip. It is a part of your game. It is a part of your exercise also. So how you skipping? That you have to jump now. So in this counting also you have to jump according to the given instruction. Today I have brought many other questions that you have to do in your fair notebook. The question is, fill in the missing number to complete the pattern. Children, as you know, I told you earlier about skip counting by 2, 5, 10, and you can see you can add your points also, like skip counting by 3, skip counting by 4, skip counting by 7. So you have to just jump on the if you do skip counting by 3, then you have to jump on third number, each third number. Okay, if you are doing skip counting by 5, then you have to jump on every fourth number. If you are skip counting by 3 or 4, then you have to jump on each fourth number. If you are doing skip counting by 6, then also you have to jump on every sixth number. So here we have a number of questions here. In this question you have to fill the missing numbers. So here if you see the starting number 2, 4, 6, 8, and if you see from between 2 and 4, 3 is missing, 4 and 6, 5 is missing, 6 and 8, 7 is missing. So what comes after 8? If you see the first number, each and every number between one number is missing. So from 8 onwards, 9 will be missed, and we have to write here 10. Okay, so 10 is our answer. Now come to the second number, 3, then 5, then 7, and so on. Now just check the pattern. In between 3 and 5, what comes? 4 is missing. Between 5 and 7, 6 is missing. So here also one number is missing between the numbers. So the next number is What comes after 7? 8. So 8 will be missed. And what comes after 8? 9. So our answer is 9. And after 9, 10 will be missed. And after 10, 11 will be right here. So in first and second question, you have to skip one number and then you have to write the next number. Okay, now come on third number. 8, 11. Now between 8 and 11, what comes? 9 and 10. It means two numbers are missing. So now whatever answer will be coming here, you have to miss two numbers. It means you have to jump on third number. So after 11, what comes? 12. Missed it. 13. Missed it. What comes? Yes, 14. 14 is your answer. Then after 14, what comes? 15 will be missed. 16 will be missed. 17 is written here. Then after 17, 18 and 19 will be missed. 20 is written here. And after 20, 21 will be missed. 22 will be missed. 23. Understood, children? So the main step of this question is you have to check the pattern. I mean to say that you have to check how many numbers between the numbers are missing. If there is one number missing, it means you have to skip one number. If there are two numbers missing, it means you have to skip two numbers. Okay. Now, in this question, backward counting will also come. So, in 4 number, if you see here 18 and then 15, it means here we are following the backward counting. So, between 18 and 15, how many numbers are missing? If you see, from before 18, 17 will come. And before 17, 16 will come. And before 16, 15 will come. And 15 is written here. It means in this form of backward, here we have to do backward counting with two numbers missing. So from 15 onwards, backward, what will come? 14 and 13. They will be missed. And what we will write here? 12. Okay. And from 12 on backward, 11 and 10. So what will write here? 9. 9 after 9, 8 and 7. 6 will be here. And before 6, 5 and 4 will come. They will miss and 3 is written. Okay. Now, 5 number. 75, 72. So, before 75, what will come? 74. Before 74, 73. It means also it is backward counting. So, before 75, 74 will be missed, 73 will be missed, 72 is written. And before 72, 71 will be missed, 70 will be missed, 69 will be come. And then before 69, 68 will be missed out, 67 will be missed. What comes? 66. And then 65, 64 missed, 63. Okay. Now 6 number. 88, 77, 66, 55, 44 and 33. Okay, children, I hope you all are enjoying very much. It is little bit tough because it is new, but if you do practice daily, it will not be new and you will be entertain it, understand it very properly and very entertaining also. And now 9. Before 9, 13. It means how many numbers are missed here? 10, 11 and 12. 3 numbers will be missed. So here we have to write what? Every 7 number. Children, you only have to do up to 6. Okay, here we have to question up to 6. 7 and 8 you will not do. Only from 1 to 6 here you have to do the question in your notebook. Okay, now I hope you all are understand it. Kindly do it in your notebook. That's all for today. In next video we will come up with new questions also that maybe enhance your practice and may be good for you. Sairam, take care, be at home, have a good health.